2 million, 9.1 million, even 28.5 million. You can see the number of amount views get these reels. This AI avatar reel is trending right now, and just a new Instagram account has gained over 179,000 followers in just 3 months by uploading this type of reel. Let's see his video.
7 life advices for teenagers. 1. Make good friends, not more friends. Friendship is about quality, not quantity. 2. Formulate your own opinion on things. 3. Focus on your character more than your looks. 4. If you always compare yourself to others, you will never find out who you are. 5. Learn from other people's mistake. 6. If you have to choose between being respected or being liked, choose being respected. And 7.
And what they're doing for creating this video, they use AI to generate images and create animation and add AI-generated voice. Today I show you how to create this type of video 100% free. So without further ado, let's get into this. Step 1. We first create an image. For video creation, we use Leonardo.ai. It's a free AI tool for generating text to image. So I already register. If you don't have an account, simply create a new one. And after creating an account, you will come to this page. Now click AI image generation and after. Changing input dimensions and set the number of images to 4. And now type this prompt. Wise-looking man, straight face, looking in front with real skin color, dark background. And now you want to create your unique image. Then only change wise-looking man word with any other words. For example, the young businessman. Also, make sure to set DreamShaper version 7 model and apply this negative prompt. It means that we don't need this type of quality in our image. Now I already created this image. So I select my image and upscale it for better quality and download it. Step 2. Now we create unique quotes. For creating quotes, I am using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and type, write 5 inspiring tips for teenagers. I already write that prompt and he gives me 5 tips. So I copy this tip. And you can also search on Google and get famous people's quotes. It depends on you. Now we have our script. So the next go-to text-to-speech website. Step 3. Head over to 11labs.io. This is a free tool that generates a voice like a real human. Paste our text here. Now hear his voice.
Set goals and take action. Define your goals and aspirations clearly. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps and create a plan to achieve them. Taking action is essential for progress. Each small step you take gets you closer to your dreams. Stay focused.
Great. Our voice is ready. Now come to the most important step, creating animations. Step 4. For creating animation, we use Hagen.com. It's a free tool that creates images into talking animation. If you don't have an account, simply create a new account. I have already registered. You can just sign up with any email, and it gives you 1 free credit. Don't worry. You can create an unlimited account by just using a temporary email. Now click on Upload Photo and upload your AI-generated image, and select Portrait Mode. Now simply click on Audio Script, and upload your AI-generated voice. And click on Submit. I already created this video, so I am not wasting my credit. Boom! All work is done. Now see the magic.
Set goals and take action. Define your goals and aspirations clearly. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps and create a plan to achieve them. Taking action is essential for progress. Each small step you take gets you closer to your dreams. Stay focused, work hard, and persevere, even when things get tough.
Now come to the last step. Add a caption for the video. But before we go to the last step, if you haven't liked the video till now, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I will make this type of video in the future. And this is my first video on the channel. Your like and subscribe are very beneficial for me. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Now back to the video. I use the free editing software CapCut on my PC. You can also do that in your CapCut mobile app. Import the video and drop it into timeline. Adjust the ratio. and click on the text and select Auto Captions. In just one click, CapCut generate all caption. Let's change the caption font. I choose Arial Black because it looks perfect in this type of video, and change the font size to 10. Now enable stroke and shadow. This feature gives your caption clear visibility. Adjust the caption according to your need. And after clicking on Export, and select the resolution of 180p, and click on Export and Done. Final video looks like this.
Set goals and take action. Define your goals and aspirations clearly. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps and create a plan to achieve them. Taking action is essential for progress. Each small step you take gets you closer to your dreams. Stay focused, work hard, and persevere, even when things get tough.
Thanks for watching.